My teammate has created this bookmark and put some files in it, but I cannot see it. I know exactly where it is supposed to be and I know that he can see it himself, but I cannot, so where is it? Just watch this to see how you can find it. There can be several reasons why you cannot see a bookmark someone else created, but let's break it down to the essentials. I will show you how you can make sure to see the bookmark and how you can see all future bookmarks that someone else has made. A little disclaimer at first, these tips are good if you are a company where everyone are supposed to see all bookmarks, and this is common in smaller businesses of, let's say, up to 10 people. Because one of the reasons bookmarks work the way they do is because they allow you to be very specific about who can see what bookmark. If you are a bigger company or you got several different departments on the same platform, some of these tips probably do not apply to you. When you create a bookmark, make sure to use a collaborative space that the user who is going to see the bookmark got access to. If your intention is that every user now and in the future shall see this bookmark, consider creating it in the common space. Is it a top level bookmark, then change its maturity state to in work as soon as it is created. Bookmarks come in a few different varieties, but what we're talking about here are bookmarks that you can create in apps like the Bookmark editor. And here you got two types, Bookmark Roots and regular bookmarks. They are just called bookmarks. But Bookmark Roots are the bookmarks on the top level, or at the root, as you can say. All bookmarks are items in the database, and as most older items there, they got a maturity state. And for everyone to see a bookmark without explicitly sharing it, you need to set it to in work. That is why we will set the bookmark root to in work. By default, subsequent bookmarks created under this top level bookmark will also need to be set to in work. And there is a setting on your tenant that will automatically set all sub bookmarks to in work on creation. So with these two settings, creating the bookmark in common space and then set all the bookmarks to in work, you and your colleagues will see the bookmarks that you all create. That's how you do it to make sure everyone can see all bookmarks, and if you want to limit the access later, you can reverse these changes. That's it for now. See you next time.